I'll explain what a neural network is. So a neural network basically has like these vertices and edges there. So each of these vertices is called a neuron, and each of the edges there's a weight there. So once a neural network is chained, when we call it chained, that means the weight of this neural network is already fixed there. So each neuron can take like a one number there. So for example, here, this two is called the input layer, and it's taking a number one and two, and it's gonna output some sort of a number there. So the way to compute this output for this neuron basically is the input multiplied by its weight, and this input multiplies weight, and here we compute the weight to the sum of it, and then apply a function on top of it. And also, when we are computing weighted sum, this neuron here, it also has like its basic, like a offset, which is a constant. So the weighted sum will be, this is the formula. So basically the weight multiplied by each input plus some constant, and sum this together, and then apply a function on top of it. So this function is called activation function. And one typical activation function is called value. So in my other video, I'll talk about this value, but basically this is like keeping the number that's larger than zero. And if things is smaller than zero, then keep we output a zero on top of that. So in this particular example, we compute a weighted sum, and then inside here we got like a 3.7, and then apply the value function. Since 3.7 is larger than 0, then we output 3.7. So this is what the number outputs here. So this is 3.7 from the output of this simple like a three neuron uh, neural network.